Mark, every time I tell you to do something, do it.
Oh, okay.
Ne?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Because I'm trying to help you
Oh,
to be like me, clever.
Oh, you're teaching me.
Yes.
I love learning new things, especially to.
That's my mark. That's my mark.
Yes,
See,
yes.
Take this bucket.
Okay.
Try fetch water.
Oh, I must.
Yeah.
Okay, I must fill it with water.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. We go to the water. You come with the water. We go to the house.
Silwane, there's a big problem here.
What's the problem?
The problem is that.
No. That's not the problem, Mark. That's not the problem. Use your mind. It's fine. Yakbutegis.
I must
the
use
water.
my mind.
Yeah,
my mind
Mike.
is saying this has got a
Mike,
hold.
It's not holes. This is
Silwane, stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. Mike, you're supposed to throw this away. Mike, I'm telling you, stay away from Silwane. Silwane will kill you.
No,
Lom
he
Lom
said he's
Yamon.
going to teach me some
Yes,
African
yes.
stuff.
I am available to teach
No.
things around this home. Stay away from Silwane. Silwane will kill you, Mike. Look what is this. Come with me, Mike. Hey, yabona Silwane. Hey, funa boshwe nje.
Mark.
Mfana lo mlungu.